If you're tired of sleeping on the ground while camping, a cot is what you need. Check out our top 3 picks of 2022. Outcastland.com. Our number 3 pick is the ALPCOUR folding camping cot. It makes it on our list for its compact folding design, which makes it quick and easy to set up and break down. It can hold a max of 300 pounds, and it's nice and light at only about 13 pounds inside its carrying case. It comes with a side storage pocket and small pillow, although you'll probably want to add your own. Currently, you can pick this one up for about $70. At our number 2 pick, we have selected comfort above all else with the COLEMAN camping cot, air mattress, and pump combo. This is the queen version that can easily handle 2 people with a weight limit of 600 pounds. Or you can keep it all to yourself for that extra leg room. The included air mattress gives you a comfort level that few cots can provide and has a slide-out end table to keep important items in reach. And for its large size, it only weighs about 23 pounds. You can pick this up for about $160, or if you opt for the twin version, it'll cost you around $120. We decided to keep things simple at our number 1 pick with the COLEMAN TRAILHEAD 2. This is a no-frills military-style cot that is meant for durability. It has a strong crossbar steel frame that supports around 300 pounds. It weighs about 20 pounds, and you can pick this up for only about $50. So if you want to save a little money and keep things simple, this is the cot for you. Thanks for checking out the video. Be sure to subscribe. Keep watching all of our other videos. Check us out on social media along with YouTube. We have Facebook and Instagram. And be sure to check us out at outcastland.com.